Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to split screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have a couple of videos added to the project bin. First of all, we have to drag and drop these two videos to the timeline, position them like this, one above the other, then select this video in track 2, the one we see here on the preview window, and navigate to the left hand side. Find crop left and adjust this value to 50%, so we fit exactly half of the screen. And then to position this video in the center, we have to navigate to the effects, type in offset, and drag and drop this offset effect on our video in track 2. And then on the left hand side here, you'll find offset settings, find this shift center to, and level your video as you wish. So I want to see this part here in the middle, and that's it. Then if I hit play, that's our videos split vertically. Okay. Now, one additional advice is if you select this pen tool, draw a line exactly in the middle between these two videos like this. Okay. Then on the right hand side, select stroke. Okay, you can adjust the size of it or the color, so I'll keep it white. Just make sure you have this line covering everything like this. Okay, and that's it, guys. Now just make sure to adjust the duration of this stroke line. So I'm gonna go back to selection tool, adjust it from the start to the finish, and also adjust this video here to match the duration. If I hit play, that's our two videos split vertically and a nice little line in the middle. Okay, and this is it, guys. This is how you split screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.